Jay making moves.
Rock man enough. Ascolta.
YouTube fam, all what's going on? What's going on, y'all? Your boy Jay is here, man, and I'm back. I'm happy to say this, man. I'm back with a early look, y'all. You guys have been stumbling in and are fairly new to the channel. This is something that I did. I want to say my last time doing one of these was last year, but I intend on bringing this back to the channel to where I can guarantee show you guys early looks of upcoming shoes, because I'm infamous for being late on showing you guys on feet looks and giving you guys the sizing tips that y'all want. You know, hey, this is what I do this for, to give you guys, of course, the first looks, as well as, you know, the sizing and all the details of the shoe prior to them coming out, because a lot of y'all do not want to get stuck with the shoe being too small, too big, or whatever the case may be. So this is what I do. I show you guys a first look at the shoe. We do an overview. We don't go into a detailed review as we do with those types of videos, but we do show them on feet and we do give the details of them. So that's what I will be doing here today, y'all. And I do have, I want to say, a highly anticipated shoe. Of course, no secret, you've seen the thumbnail, you know what I have. I have the Jordan 4 Paris Olympics, y'all. This shoe is set to be released on July 27th for a retail price of $225, y'all. So Jordan brand said, look, we took 2 weeks off of releases. We need all our bread, man. So $225 off the hip is what you will be paying for these in adult sizes. This shoe will release in a full family sizing. So I will break this video down real quick with a quick overview. Then we will jump into it on feet, talk about sizing tips, and then we will conclude the video, man. So if you like these types of videos, I need y'all to go crazy, man. Thumbs it up for your boy Jay. If you like that these are back, I got y'all. If y'all show the, you know what I'm saying, the feedback and let me know about how y'all liking it, I will bring this back on a regular basis with all the upcoming shoes. So I look forward to hearing what y'all got to say, and I look forward to seeing what that like button is looking like, y'all. But outside of that, man, I have a question for y'all. I have a question. Look, as you can see, I am rocking a San Antonio Spurs jersey. David Robinson, to be exact, as you can see, man. Legend, legend, legend. But my question to y'all, if you are rocking any type of jersey, right? Any type of jersey, is it a must or is it a violation that you rock the same team of the jersey on your hat? Like, I mean, I could easily wear a Spurs hat. Yeah, you know, I could do the blacked out Spurs if I wanted to, you know what I'm saying? Like, is this a must, or can I do something like, I mean, a Miami Marlin? Because I mean, it's another one of my favorite teams when it comes to baseball. So I can like San Antonio Spurs when it comes to basketball, but what about if I like, you know, Miami Marlins when it comes to baseball? Is this a violation? Or let's even say that I'm a Las Vegas Raiders fan. Is this,
whoa, buddy, relax,
a violation of code 22916? What? Dress code. I just made that up, but it sounded like it was something, right? But is this appropriate, man? Y'all comment down below, man. If my favorite team is the Las Vegas Raiders and my favorite basketball team is the San Antonio Spurs, would I be okay doing this? I need to know y'all feedback down below, because I need to know what days we are in, because I know we went through a phase of all the youngins rocking Adidas mixed with Nike, mixed with, I mean, y'all let me know where we at with this. But for now, we gonna go back to my regular schedule program. Yeah, okay. Let me play it safe, y'all. So we rocking this today, but yes, outside of that, man, we must get into what this video is about, y'all. So let me show you guys these fours. First of all, I'm gonna show y'all the box overview, then I'm gonna show y'all how it comes, then we get into the on feet, y'all. So shall we? Woo! Appreciate you. Bang! Special packaging on this shoe, y'all. So of course, if you guys have been sleeping under a rock and you have not checked out the Sneakers app, y'all, this shoe has been officially named the Wet Cement, y'all. And of course, you can kind of see where it does get the name Wet Cement. Of course, you do have the cement look all over on the box, custom style box, and you do got the Jumpman, which you can barely see. Let me hold it back here. Maybe you can see it. Yep, you can see it from back here a little bit. But you got the Jumpman that's kind of glossy right there. So that's how the box comes, y'all. Not gonna show size tag, all that. Wait for the detailed review. You will see that. However, when you do pop open this box, you will get the cement paper, and then beneath the cement paper, y'all, both shoes will be individually wrapped, y'all. So they will come individually wrapped. Whew. Appreciate it. Like so. kind of, sort of, you know what I'm saying? But they will come individually wrapped up with the white paper on them, y'all. Of course, something like that, a little more tight. Mine has been opened already. I tried to rewrap it, so that's why it looks like this. But it will come, and of course, it's individually unwrapped style tissue paper. When you open it up, you will get your shoes, and bada bing, bada boom. Or should I say, bang, y'all. There we have them, man. The Jordan 4 wet cements, y'all. So I'm not gonna call them Olympics. No, I'm gonna try not to, but wet cements, y'all, releasing July 27th. Take a look at it, y'all. The shape, y'all, we do got the correct shape that we want. Of course, the Jordan 4 SB shape, it is a thing that is here, and it is here to stay. So for those of you guys who are familiar with, of course, the Jordan 4 SBs, you will be getting that same style of shape with these, man. So with that being said, y'all, I want to talk to you guys about the sizing of these, y'all. So for the sizing of the Jordan 4 wet cements, y'all, they will be pretty true to size, y'all. They fit identical, of course, to the reimagined breads as well as the Jordan 4 pine greens. I think that Jordan brand moving forward will continue to give us that true to size feel when it comes to all the shoes that does have that SB4 style shape, y'all. So it is nothing different, y'all. I would recommend, you know, if you went half size up on any of your previous Jordan 4s, whatever your true to size is when it comes to 4s, I say you want to do that when it comes to these. So that is my recommendation when it comes to sizing. As far as on feet, y'all, they are clean, very, very clean shoe. It is a all over gray base shoe, and I was saying to myself, do I really need a pair of these, y'all? I have cool gray 11s, etc., etc. The list goes on. However, this is just its own shoe in my opinion, y'all. I think that these are definitely a dope pair, and it does set itself apart from the rest when it comes to how it looks, y'all. So definitely compared to a cool gray 11, I think it's its own shoe, and I definitely will try to, you know, give y'all a look of both of them on feet so you can kind of see it for yourself. But by this being an all over gray, and of course you having your white hits and all that on the Jordan 11, not to mention the silhouette, we got a total new silhouette, of course, Jordan 4s, Jordan 11s, but you can see that it's its own shoe at the end of the day, and I think that they are solid, y'all. So take a look at them real quick. I think we'll come back towards the end of the video and end it off with a more detailed on feet, y'all. But yes, that is it for the sizing and a quick on feet look at these, y'all. And it will come with, of course, a warning tag. I think that warning tag does talk about the materials and how they might chip away throughout time. Of course, you know, if you don't know, you do have that type of, you know, cracked leather material on the front. It is to a minimal though, y'all. Very, very minimalistic. It is nothing close or nowhere close to, of course, the Jordan 4 bang taupe haze, y'all, which I want to say this was one of the first shoes to be introduced with that crack style leather material, y'all. But looking at both of them, I ain't gonna hold y'all, it's kind of close, y'all. They're very similar, y'all, not too far off as far as the crackled look, you know what I'm saying? I guess that's the look that they are going for with these shoes. I thought that the taupe hazes had more crackled leather, and it does. It's just in different areas. So if you take a look up there around the ankle collar, it is very defined when it comes to the crackled leather, but along the front half up there, it is very minimalistic, and it's the same on the front half of these, y'all. Very minimalistic when it comes to the cracked leather on the front of them, and there's none on the back. So when it gets to the back, we get that nubuck material. So different types of materials, but I just wanted to point that out. And taupe hazes, I need to throw these on feet, bro. I haven't even looked at these prior to me showing y'all this in this video. I haven't seen these in probably over a year, man. But definitely a clean pair of shoes, and I look forward to rocking them soon, man. But anyways, outside of those, y'all, these Jordan 4s set to be releasing here in a couple weeks. I want to talk to you guys about the demand behind them, y'all. The demand is real, y'all, and I think that this shoe in particular, y'all, will bring back a little bit hype to the Jordan 4s, y'all, and it lets us know how many people are still interested into the 4s. The 4s have not went anywhere, because right after this pair, y'all, we will see the Jordan 4 White Thunders, y'all. So Jordan 4 White Thunders will be following up behind the wet cements, and I think both of them are going to be bangers, y'all. This one is, of course, another back to school shoe you can say that people will be having on their list. But $225, I still think that that's not a deal breaker. I still think that these are going to sell pretty good. Speaking of selling pretty good, y'all, take a look at the resale on them, y'all. So every other shoe that is upcoming, in my opinion, have been folding, y'all. They have not been holding up in value. They've been dropping, but these are consistently, y'all, around the 300 and up range, y'all, and that's not including fees, y'all. So these are what I might want to say are bussing, y'all. These are bussing right now, man. So I think that these are gonna be one of those ones, y'all, that, I mean, it's gonna be that shoe that everyone gravitates to. Not only people who want to wear them, but on the profit margin side of things, y'all, people are gonna be going crazy picking up multiple pairs trying to flip these, because since it's been so dry, y'all, people are trying to find that one shoe that, hey, this is gonna be the one where I'm gonna make all the money back from the months that it's been slow, etc., etc. But yeah, man, it's holding up pretty well, and I don't know to say that it will break that much when it comes closer to the release date, because in an earlier video of mine, y'all, I talked to you guys about the early pairs of these being out, y'all. A lot of these are out, which means that a lot of stock from retailers and such have been cut, y'all. So stores that were planning to get 100 might only get 50. Who knows? So everything might be cut in half, or I don't even want to say half. That's kind of a lot, but let's say a quarter, an eighth, you know what I'm saying, of the stock has been cut. So whatever number we planned on getting has already been fed to the resellers, y'all. So it is in their hands, and sometimes you got to pay to play, man. I just hope it's not that much. And with that being said, I hope those who want to get them to wear on feet, to rock them, hope you guys get first dibs on them. And good luck, man. On the 27th, these will be coming out, man. Comment down below. Run those likes up, y'all. Like I said, if y'all go crazy, I will continue the streak as far as showing you guys early looks with them on feet. Up next, like I said, if you guys show the feedback, bang, I'll bring out another pair of Olympic style shoes, y'all. I will give you guys an early look of the Jordan 6 Olympics with size and details and everything. Pretty much the same thing that you guys saw in this video. So comment down below, hit the thumbs up most likely, or hit the thumbs up mainly, y'all. And yeah, man, let me know if you guys want to see more early looks. But outside of that, y'all, I'm gonna leave you guys with a quick on feet. That is it for this one. Y'all stay blessed, and good luck to all trying to get them, y'all. But that is it. I'll have a movie for these closer to the release, but I'm gone, man. Y'all stay blessed. Woo. Wet cements. Peace.
Jay making movies. Swab it out, sing, gon' shoot it. Sauce with the drip, extra groovy. Jordan 1s cost more than your Gucci. Plus I doubled up, shot it, so sue me. You can say I'm in my bag, no Louis. Greatness in my jeans, no Chewy. It be bangers only, I'm reviewing. Bangers on bangers, I'm popping now. Jay on no roll, ain't no stopping now. Whip out them laces, we bopping now. You know the name, Mr. Swap It Out. Bangers, I'm copping now. Jay on no roll, ain't no stopping now. Whip out them laces, we bopping now. You know the name, Mr. Swap It Out.